Okay, now we can start.
Okay, hello. Good morning.
Hello.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good. So we are meeting first time. Could you introduce yourself? Then we will start our conversation.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. My name is Tanishka. I am 7 years old and I am second standard. My hobbies are reading, playing chess, and singing also. And I want to learn many languages.
Okay, that's nice. Where are you from?
I'm from Maharashtra. Where are you
Okay.
from?
Okay, I am from Gurugram, Haryana. Do you know about Gurugram, Haryana?
I know Haryana, but I know that. I don't know that.
Yeah, so it's in Delhi NCR. You know about Delhi?
Yes.
Yeah, capital of India. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I live in Gurugram, Haryana. It's in Delhi NCR. Okay. So what do you do in your leisure time?
Means what?
Means free time. Means free time.
Free time. I do. Sometime I do conversation with there, and sometime I go to with. I go parking to play. I go to parking to play with my friends. Yeah.
I go to park. I go to park for playing.
Yes.
Okay. So how many members in your family?
There are four members in my family.
Your sister, which standard she's studying?
She's studying in sixth standard. Yeah,
Okay. She's younger than you. Oh, sorry. You are younger one.
yeah. I'm small,
Okay.
she's big.
Yes, yes. So we can say, yeah, you are younger than her.
Okay.
Okay, so whom do you love most, in your parents, mother or father?
Both. I like
Both.
both.
Yes, and what about your sister? Do you
Yes,
fight?
yes, sometimes we fight, but mm, we play together, but sometimes we fight.
Yeah, fighting is also important, you know. Yeah. Okay, so why are you learning this language in this age? You are very small and you are learning this language.
Because I want to become good English speaker and I want to learn many languages like English also and Germany. Yeah.
Okay, that is why you are learning. Sorry.
Tell about yourself.
Okay, why not? Yeah. As you know, I am Priyanka. I am from Gurugram, Haryana. I have completed MBA
Hello.
in finance and marketing, and now I'm preparing for
Yeah.
yeah. I am uploading conversational video. So sometime I connect with people, and sometime I attend classes on clapping or both the recording I upload on my channel. And reading book and talking to people, these are my hobbies. Sometimes I like gardening also. Yeah, so that's all about myself.
Nice. Your name is also nice.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Priyanka. Yeah, but I don't like my name. I don't know why. First thing, it's very big, and yeah, it's very big. That is why, and it's very common. So many girls have this name, so that is why I don't like. Thank you, but
Your name.
okay, thank you so much. Okay, so
Welcome.
how long have you been learning this language?
Um, 1 month.
Only 1 month.
Yeah. 2 months or 1 month.
But you are speaking quite well. So how did you learn this language?
I learned from my mother. Means my mother teach me this language. I speak with my cousins also. In school, I speak with my teachers also.
Okay, so are you studying in English medium school?
Yes, English medium.
That is why you have an environment and you can speak English with anyone. So, but like you know, in India, there are so many people who studying in Hindi medium and they don't have environment. That is why they're struggling in this language. But you're very lucky because you have environment.
Hello, your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me now? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I was saying you are very lucky because you are studying in English medium and you have environment also, and in your family, you have parents who can speak in English. Yeah, so very nice.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, do you know meaning of piece of cake? It is an idiom, piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Yeah, what is the meaning of this idiom?
Mm, I don't know what you say now. I don't understand.
Okay, so in English there are idioms like piece of cake, I am over the moon. So it we call it idiom and phrases. So piece of cake means very easy task. Yeah. So can you
That
make a sentence to using this a piece of cake?
piece of cake.
Yeah.
Um,
Means very easy. Very easy. Okay. Let me make a sentence.
I don't know that how to do that.
Make a sense. Yeah. So like piece of cake. Yeah. So I will tell you how to make a
Okay.
sentence there. For example, I love reading and reading is a good habit for me, and because of reading I can speak in English, and now English is a piece of cake for me. Means very
Oh,
easy because of reading habit. Yeah. So you can make this way, and like cooking you like I love cooking, and cooking food is a piece of cake for me.
oh.
Means very
And
easy task. Yeah, so now you can make a sentence.
okay.
It's your ball is in your court.
Um. I speak in English with my teachers. That it's I make shorter sentence. That piece of cake, right?
Short sentences for you piece of cake. Can you repeat it?
Means I speak with my teacher in English. Then I speak little bit with my teacher in English. Then it's a piece of cake. Means it's a easy, right?
Yeah. Now it's okay. Okay, so do you love traveling? Means go out with friends and different places. Do you love?
Yes, I love.
Okay,
I
so which
travel
place?
with my mom.
Okay, so have you like which place you visited?
I visited Satara, um, Dapoli also in Konkan.
Okay, can you
Yeah.
elaborate that day when you visited that and how did you enjoy that day? Can you explain that thing, all the things?
Okay. In Dapoli, we eat too much fish, and too much. Um, we do too much fun, and there is a small garden also for kids. We play there. We with my sister. I play with my sister in garden, and in Dapoli there is too much sand. Yeah,
And
and
yeah,
there is a beach also. We go there and we swim too much and we do too much fun there. Yeah.
okay. So you enjoyed that day a lot of
Yes.
you did lot of things, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry?
And in Napoli, there is too much sunny.
Okay.
Sun.
Do you like
Yeah.
winter or summer?
I like summer.
Okay, I like winter and it's very cold here in Gurugram now. And I know your place, it's not that much cold there.
Yes. Now is sunny. Now is also sunny in
So,
outside.
so have you ever visited in any hill station, on any hill station?
What?
Any hill station like Nainital, Bhimtal, Kashmir. There's so many places, Simla, Manali. Have you
No,
ever visited?
to visit that.
Okay, do you want to go?
Yes, I want to go, but we don't visit that places. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have also friend. I have so many friends now.
Which is your best friend?
Okay, my best friend is Anu. She's from Delhi also, but she's
Oh,
living far away from my place. But yeah, whenever we get free time, so we call and we talk to each other. She's also very nice and kind-hearted person, and I love talking to her. She always shared her feelings, thoughts, and whatever problems she facing in her life. She always tell me. She always tells me. So this is how my relation is very good with her. I can
oh,
share everything to her. Yeah.
nice.
What is your mother does? She's a teacher.
No, she make my videos on YouTube and she upload my videos on YouTube. Yeah, there is channels. There is channel of me and my channel name is English with Tanishka. Yeah,
So I also
subscribe
teach.
channel.
Sorry.
I subscribe to your channel.
Yes, I got notification today only, so I felt very good because I saw your video with English with
Yeah.
Santa ma'am. So I enjoyed that conversation. So I watched your another videos, and yeah, I want to talk to you, but today I was busy. I had conversation with so many people, so that is why yeah, I was busy. Okay, so can you tell me about what type of methods are you using for your English?
Yeah. In English, my mother teach me English, and in when I speak in English, I do too much mistakes. Then my mother teach me how to speak in English, and she clear my mistakes.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and maths and science.
Okay, so what do you want to become?
I want to become good English speaker. I tell
Okay.
you.
Yes, yes, you tell me. Yeah, yes, you tell me. Okay, so
Yeah.
any profession like only speaker or teacher? Which profession are you going to choose?
I want to become good English speaker, not teacher.
Okay, okay, yeah. Now I got
I
your
want to
point.
become teacher also, means in English teacher, but I want to become good English speaker teacher.
Speaker. Yeah. Now I got your point. Okay, so I have a one more word for you. If you want to make a sentence, you can make it. Otherwise, we can have normal conversation also.
Okay.
Yeah. So, are you following any YouTube channel for your English? Like English speeches are there. There's so many channel for enhancing communication skill. Are you following anyone?
Means what? What you say now?
YouTube channel or any podcast. Are you following anything?
No.
Okay, only your mother is your teacher and you teach. She teach you. She
Yes.
teaches you, yeah.
Yes. She teach me.
Okay.
I speak with her. She also speak with me in English. We both speak in English.
Yeah, so you have
Yeah.
environment at home. But what about your father? Your father can speak in English?
Yes, he speak in English with me sometime because he go to office.
Okay, so time is running up. Can we sum up the session? We will meet soon.
Okay.
Uh, it
Bye.
was re- it was really nice conversation with you. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you. Bye. Have a
Bye.
nice
You too.